Hey guys, welcome back to the world of marketing tools. So, what we have in store today?
The tool name is IFTTT. So, as in Boolean algebra, it is called if, this, then, and that. This tool will basically enable you to automate some of your daily mundane tasks and save your time. And not only this, you can create your own apps as per your requirement. So, let's check it out, guys.
The best part with this app that it has millions of applets which acts as a bridge between two platforms and allow you to automate simplest of tasks. And if you check out their export section, let's say if I go to their export section, you would find different apps for different platforms. Let's say Dropbox, or you can ask for Android, for Buffer, Tumblr, and you can connect your own two platforms as per your need. Well, as for me, I have two favorite applets which are useful to me. So let's check it out, guys. So here is my first favorite applet, which allows automating sharing of video to a Facebook page while I upload any video on YouTube. But before you use this applet, it will ask you to have access of the platform. So here I have my YouTube channel as well as my Facebook page. So let's check it out, guys. If what happens if I upload a video on my YouTube channel. Okay, so here I'm uploading a video of my own. I go up here, takes me a YouTube Creator Studio. I select a particular file. Okay, let's say I have this file with me. I upload up here. It will ask you to do certain things like title. Okay, so I'm putting my title here is like ABC, description ABC. More or less, I would say no, it's not made for kids. I go for next, 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 and here I save my video. So I see my video is getting uploaded. Now let's check it out my Facebook page. I go to my Facebook page, refresh it once. I scroll down the page. Oh, so here I see my video getting uploaded. That's insane, guys. It's literally saved my tons of amount of my time. So you see, guys, such small automation can save a lot of time of yours. Now let's check out the other applet which I like the most. So now I have with me another applet which automatically posts an image on LinkedIn while I upload any image from Facebook page. So I have my LinkedIn account here. I have my Facebook page. So let's upload a photo up here and you can see the magic. Okay, it asks me to upload an image. Let's check it out. Here I have the image. Let's upload it on Facebook. And I post it on Facebook right here in front of me. It is uploaded on Facebook. Let's check it out my LinkedIn profile. Well, I am here on my LinkedIn profile. So you can see the image getting uploaded within seconds, and that's stupendous, guys. It literally saved my 5 minutes of time to come back again on LinkedIn and post it. And it literally saved my time, guys. Can you imagine? The best part with this app is that even you can create an on your own applet out of anything. So let's check it out, guys. Okay, so here I'm on their create section and it allow me to create something unique. So let's say what they have to offer to me. So I am a very big fan of Twitter, and let's say what Twitter has to offer me. Okay, so these are the applications that are supported by IFTTT. So you can choose any one of them. Well, for me, Twitter is very important. So here I go with Twitter. Okay. And here, let's say if I have a new follower and I wanted to add that follower into my Google Sheets, is it possible? Let's check it out, guys. So I'm here to Google Sheets.
Yes, the Google Sheets. Okay, so it is asking that if any new follower is being added to my profile in Twitter, it should add a row to the spreadsheet. Okay, and the spreadsheet name would be followers. The folder path, you can create it, and I would like to create this as an action. Okay, so what it will do is like when I will have a new follower, it will add a row to my spreadsheet. How convenient, guys. In fact, I have the list of all the people who are coming to my account and becoming a follower, and I have to contact them, each one of them, by understanding their patterns and thinkings and how do I wanted to engage them. I can easily do this with such a good automation. So with this app, you can automate your simplest of the task and automate many of the things that you have been looking for. I would highly recommend guys to check for yourself if it does help you or not. Stay tuned to my channel because I will be bringing the magical world of magical tools at your doorstep. Thank you very much guys. I will coming back with a new video next week. So stay tuned.